I go to Dubai 2010. I'm here in the Philippines. I race here. I become champion here in the Philippines. When I go to Dubai, when I race there, I think I am a good man. I think I can win for the first 2-3 years. I think I can win. But when I go for the race, my God, 100, 200 place, and then
The quality is not good enough?
the quality is good, but the method and the idea of this race that they race is different from Philippines. Big difference. You believe one pansier, he can make the clocking for benzene 1 to 50, 1 to 60, only one pansier? First place until 68th place. Only one pansier. How come? I see 60 birds first place for this guy. How did you do like this? When I check, okay, this is sprint race. Because here in the Philippines, we don't know that the
What
sprint.
did you have to do different in the Philippines than you did there?
For me, it's the training and feeding.
Yeah, the training is simple.
Yeah, it's simple, but they must learn. Sometimes they know that the training, they can, how many kilometers? Okay, I train 50 kilometers, 60 kilometers. But what is the location? Where is the location you train? Is this the right path? Is this the flying?
So your location is very
You
important here.
must know.
The line of
The
light.
line of life. You must learn.
You must be on the line of flight.
Yes, I
or
do.
your pigeon makes his own line of flight.
You must tell them. They must learn.
The
From you,
training.
because you are the coach.
He's talking about the training,
Yeah,
Fred.
I'm talking about the training. You are the coach. They must do like this.
Even though where your loft is, you must teach them the line of light.
On the line of flight is
Yeah.
important, or just training any direction?
No, I don't think so. Because if you train any direction, this is a big problem for the birds. They don't have idea. What will they do? If they release, for example, this is the location of the release. This is your lock. You train here. This is the racing point. You train here. And then you always train here. You always train here. From here. You always train. Did you think that your bird will not go direct? It will go direct. But if you train, how? They don't have idea. They will have the idea if they go together with other pigeon. They will only follow.
You don't think it's just condition makes them fly
You
good?
know, if you have good
Line
condition,
of flight
if
training?
you have good condition, but for example, your bird have good condition. The problem, your bird don't have idea for the flight of flight. What the bird will do? He will become the leader? I don't think so. How will become the leader? He don't
He's
have
a homing
idea.
pigeon.
Homing pigeon, but he don't have idea for the location, for the place. But if you give him that good idea and then good condition, what will happen?
It makes sense.
Yeah.
But some people where I came from work the opposite way.
Yeah.
And they train the opposite
Yeah,
way.
I respect this. I respect this because this is their way. This is their method. This is their program. I respect this. But also I have my own. Now we are talking with my own.
In other words, if you have a choice, you're
Yeah,
going to train on the line of
you are
flight.
free. You are free. Whatever method, whatever program you like, you are free to choose.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are free to choose. But for me, this is my way because I base only on my experience.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, because some people they ask me, what is the difference between